Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail vodka. First, gather your base spirit, which should be a high-proof neutral grain alcohol. You'll also need activated carbon for filtration and distilled water for dilution. The process involves careful purification and then optional flavoring. This method ensures a smooth, clean vodka perfect for any cocktail. We'll cover each step in detail, making it easy for you to create your own custom spirits at home. Get ready to elevate your mixology game with this simple guide. Now let's talk about purification, a crucial step for a smooth vodka. You'll need activated carbon, which effectively removes impurities and harsh flavors. Slowly pour your high-proof alcohol through a filter containing the carbon. For best results, repeat this filtration process at least 3 to 5 times. After purification, dilute your spirit with distilled water until it reaches your desired proof, typically around 40% alcohol by volume. This careful process ensures a clean, neutral base for your cocktails. Once your vodka is purified, it's time for the fun part, infusing flavors. The possibilities are endless. Consider fresh fruits like berries or citrus, aromatic herbs such as rosemary or mint, or even spices like vanilla beans or peppercorns. Simply add your chosen ingredients to the vodka in a clean, airtight container. Let the mixture steep for anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, tasting periodically until the flavor reaches your preference. Strain out the solids, and your custom-flavored vodka is ready. Proper storage ensures your homemade vodka stays fresh and delicious. Always use clean, airtight glass bottles to prevent contamination and evaporation. Store your plain vodka at room temperature or in the freezer for a chilled pour. For infused vodkas, a cool, dark place is ideal to preserve their delicate flavors. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your handcrafted spirits responsibly, whether in classic cocktails or new creations. Cheers to your mixology skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.